equation of this tangent vector space M, which is just a straight line, where I'm checking M is equal minus square root of 3 and K is equal 4. I just substitute, and this ensures me that I'm correct, the calculation. Then any vector V at point P can be obtained by the linear combination, see, alpha partial of R, beta partial of theta, when alpha and beta are given, see? So, in this case, we can span, okay, the tangent vector space just using this basis vector, which I calculated over here. That's it. That's a very interesting example just for you to understand that tangent vector space is not necessarily a plane. Okay? This is one example, just to clarify. That's it.